Hey guys, welcome back to Texas Young Guns. Today we are going to fix our RV oven, the thing that most RVers are afraid of. I guess it's because of the propane, I don't know. But anyways, most RVers don't even use the oven because they're afraid of it. I think it's going to blow up or something, but I'm about to show you today that it is easy to fix and easy to use. So come on, let's go fix it. I almost forgot to mention, before we head inside to fix the oven, make sure you turn your propane off. That way you make a safe environment for this very easy job. So here we are next to the RV oven. And if you have ever had issues igniting your oven, oh man, it can be so painful. But I'm going to show you today that it is easy as changing out this ignition module here. Basically, your RV oven works by lighting this little ignition module, which I'll show you in a second, in your oven. It looks for the flame, and once it's seen the flame, it allows propane to finish running into your oven. That way, when you're trying to light it, you're just not letting a full blast of propane into your RV and thus cause a miniature explosion. So what this does, this little guy right here, it looks for the flame and sends it up to the switch and then allows it to fire. So let me show you. Alright, so we're going to open up the door on the oven. We've got our pizza brick, which we love. So if you look in the back there, you will see the ignition that we're about to replace. And if we look at the top of the oven, this part here should just pop up. That's where all your burners and stuff are, and we just pulled one out. And that signal sends it up here to where your oven pilot light is. Alright, here's a better look of the flame signal sensor and the capillary tube. And this end right here is what's going to hook in down here in the oven. Alright, in order to get to that guy, you're going to have to take this top plate off. Now there's a bolt or a screw on this side that's holding this in. You just have to push back and lift up, and this tray should come out. And next we'll take out the burner tray, being held in by this wing nut here. And the next step is to take the top screw off and the bottom screw off, and the sensor will come off. Alright, with those screws loose, this comes loose. Alright, so since we loosened everything up in the bottom on the inside, on this particular oven I have an Amana. So you can see the brand. And we'll have to actually move the oven out a little bit, and it's really easy. It's just screws that look like this, and they're here in the back, and then same on this other side here. And you'll actually move the oven out a little bit, that way you can see behind it to put the new capillary in. When we started running the new one in, let's look behind here. Alright, here's the new tube that we ran from underneath. We'll run it inside the oven. And we will run the new one back to where we disconnected the old one before. So over here. And now that we have everything ran, it's just a simple fact of putting it back together in reverse. Okay, so everything is back together. And it is time to see if this thing will light. Well guys, thanks for joining us on this video. I hope this helps you fix your RV oven like it did ours, as you can see. It wasn't that difficult, just a few screws, a few things to remember. Look guys, RV ovens are perfectly safe to use. We use it all the time for pizzas and just different meals that we use. But anyways, if you enjoyed that, please subscribe to our channel. We put out how-to videos all the time, but mainly we are a travel channel. We like to travel in our beloved motorhome Bluebonnet. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.